Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about earthquake. We have talked about earth, the layers of the earth, and also volcano. Now we're gonna talk about earthquake. Let's see what is earthquake and what are the reasons of the earthquake. Okay, so let's see. Bismillah. First of all, earthquake is shaking of the earth. We have seen it before, and also you can see here. You see everything is shaking here. You see everything is moving. This is because of the earth is shaking. That's why the other things on the earth are shaking and are moving. You can see the man too. He cannot just walk normally because of the shaking of the earth. So it means earthquake is the shaking of the earth. So, but how does it happen? That's important. How earthquake happen? When two huge rocks in the earth's crust meet each other. Guys, here all earth's crust, not on the surface, all just the surface. All of them will be the earth's crust. It means we have removed the mantle, outer core, and inner core. It's only earth's crust. So it means earthquake is going to happen in the earth's earth's crust, the first layer of the earth, not mantle, not outer core, not inner core. So maybe you think when we say earth's crust you just think about thin layer, but actually this is not thin. We have talked about before. So we say it's between 5 kilometer to 70 kilometer. So that's why you have to see this is all the earth's crust. And when two huge rocks inside the earth's crust, so if you remember that we have talked about them, we said the components, what do they contain? I mean, like the layers of the earth. We said the outer core, inner core, and also we said mantle contain magma. You know that. Leave all others. Only think about the earth's crust. We said earth's crust contain rocks. Right? We said earth's crust is solid and it contains rocks. So that's why we said two huge rocks inside the earth's crust. I mean, inside the earth's crust we have rocks. When two huge rocks inside the earth's crust, it means below the surface. Guys, it's not on the surface that we are living in. Below the surface, here, inside the earth's crust. This is all the earth's crust, and here is inside the earth's crust. So when they meet each other, this movement makes a huge amount of energy. So it means, by the way, you have to study the other parts. I think in other chapters where you call the units, you have studied the types of energy. One of the types of energy is movement, right? Movement energy. So this movement makes energy, and this energy changed into waves. You see here in the picture, these are some waves that some of them is up above, some is below, some in the middle, some in the other side. So these are the circles. These circles are waves. The waves of what? This energy that we talk about. They will change into the energy will change into waves, which then they travels on the surface. You see that some of the waves on the surface, some of them the below. So it means they are traveling to the surface. Okay, the waves are going to travel to the surface. So cause of an earthquake. This is cause of an earthquake. These waves are going to make the earthquake. When two rocks here are going to meet each other, clash with each other, we say that it means they are moving, right? Otherwise they are not going to clash with each other. There is a space between the rocks. When they are going to fill this space, they will meet each other. Okay, so it's like falling the rocks. I mean, one of them will fall on the space and they will clash with another rock. So this movement makes a huge amount of energy, and this energy changes into waves. We said that, and the waves are going to go up until it will arrive the surface that we are living on it. So causing an causing an earthquake. Guys, I just brought this picture here. Inside the earth's crust, this is outside of course, inside the earth's crust we have many rocks, but huge rocks, not small like this, huge rocks, and they have space like this. You see here there's a space between these rocks, right? Here are some rocks and there is space. So inside the earth's crust we have many huge rocks and they have space between them. When they move, and for they have space, that's why they move. For example, if you will be in a place that you don't have any space, you cannot move, right? Of course, when you move, it means you have space. When two people is moving, or when the two people are moving, it means they have space. Otherwise, they cannot move, right? So when these two rocks are going to move, it means they have space. Otherwise, they cannot move. So there are many spaces between the rocks inside the Earth's crust. So because of these spaces, they are going to move and clash with each other. So this clashing will make, it means this movement, kind of movement, it is going to be energy, and this energy changes into waves. And when waves, which then travels on the surface, here the surface, so causing an earthquake. It means the earthquake is going to happen on the surface. That what you see here, that the cars are moving and the man cannot walk very, normally. You see, it's all because of the earthquake. And what else here, guys? We have two things in the, for the earthquake that you have to know. What are they? Focus and epicenter. Okay. What is focus? What is epicenter? Focus is located where, and epicenter located where. So focus is the middle. It means inside the Earth's crust. Be careful. The first difference is this: epicenter is on the surface, but focus is inside the Earth's crust. It means below the surface. That's one of the difference between them. Focus is inside the Earth's crust, it means below the surface, but epicenter is on the surface. Okay. So focus is the beginning of the earthquake inside the Earth's crust. It means where the two rocks are going to clash. Okay. We said that the two rocks are going to meet each other. The place that the two rocks are going to meet each other, they are clashing. It means this place is going to be the focus. It means the cause of what do you call earthquake? Okay, the cause of earthquake is it's going to be inside the focus, because the focus is the place that the two rocks are going to meet each other, the place that the earthquake start. But where? Inside the Earth's crust. It means earthquake starts inside the Earth's crust. We call this place that the earthquake start focus. So, and what is epicenter? Epicenter is where the worst damage occur, and it's directly above this focus. It means we have focus here, directly above the focus. Go up on the surface. Where? Here, right? This is epicenter. Directly above, it means directly in this place you will go up on the surface, you will meet and face the epicenter. But be careful, you have to know this too: the worst damage occur. It means guys, in all of these places are going to get damaged by the what do you call the earthquake, but the worst damage is going to be here, epicenter. It means directly above the focus. Where focus happen, go up directly. You have to go up until the surface. This place is going to be the epicenter. For example, if the two rocks are going to meet each other here is going to be the focus, and you will go up, here is going to be the epicenter. If the two rocks are going to meet here, so here is going to be the focus. Okay, and you will go up to the surface, here is going to be the epicenter. So that you have to understand by this way. It's so easy. It means the place that the two rocks are mirroring each other, the two rocks are clashing with each other, this place is focus. inside the Earth's crust. And directly above the Earth focus, go up on the surface, is going to be the epicenter, which is the worst damage that occur. Okay, it means this earthquake is going to damage every place, but of course some places more than the others, right? The most damage, okay, the worst damage is going to be epicenter, happening inside the in epicenter. So that's these two things you have to know: focus and epicenter. And which place is going to happen more, which place is less? We have studied volcano before. We said it's going to happen in some places high risk and some places low risk. So here is the parts of the world at risk of earthquake are the same areas that have areas having risk of volcanoes. Guys, it doesn't mean that only that place. It doesn't mean exactly only that place. So many times earthquake is going to happen here, but no volcano is here, right? So it doesn't mean exactly that way, but it means taking average. Okay, mostly, okay, mostly the places that have volcano will have the earthquake too. Okay, that's the meaning. The parts of the world at risk of earthquakes are the same areas having the risk of volcano. So after earthquake, we have something else, guys. If you look here, this is like the Earth's crust. Here's going to be the place for clashing the rocks. Then exactly go up to the surface. Here is going to be the epicenter. It means focus is the place inside the Earth's crust. You see, here is Earth's crust, and this is inside it. And go up to the surface is going to be epicenter. This is Earth's crust. Be careful. Hole is going to be the Earth's crust. And we have something else which is kind of related to volcano and earthquake, which is tsunami. Okay, tsunami is a huge sea wave. You see in here, the sea waves are going to come on the city and damage everything there. Okay, you see it's a really huge sea wave. But how does it happen? Like this. So the definition is this: tsunami is a huge sea wave, only this. So tsunami happens when an earthquake or a volcano happens under the sea or ocean. Okay? So it means we said that earthquake is going to happen here and everything is going to shake in, you see? And also we said volcano is happen on the land and the lava will shoot out. But if this earthquake and the volcano that we talked about in the previous lessons, if these two, one of them, happen not on the land, under the sea or ocean, is going to be the cause of tsunami. It means the cause of tsunami is volcano or earthquake. One of them is going to happen. It means shaking of the earth will happen under the sea or under the ocean. Directly, it's going to be cause of tsunami. Okay, tsunami. It is going to make tsunami. Or maybe a volcano. Volcano will happen under the earth. I mean the pressure, heat pressure will increase under the sea or ocean. Directly, it makes tsunami. That's it. Tsunami is so easy. It's a huge sea wave that is cause of volcano or earthquake. But cause of volcano or earthquake where? Under the sea or the ocean. When earthquake or volcano happens under the sea or the oceans, directly it makes tsunami. So that's earthquake and tsunami, and I hope you understand everything. Inshallah you will understand. Inshallah you will understand everything, and if you have any questions you can just write it. I will answer you inshallah. Have a nice time.